DepEd Vision. We dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country, and its values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its stakeholders. DepEd mission: to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to equality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education, where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrators and staff as stewards of the institution ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners. DepEd core values: maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, makabansa. Our mandate: the Department of Education was established through the Education Decree of 1863 as the Superior Commission of Primary Instruction under a chairman. The education agency underwent many reorganization efforts in the 20th century in order to better define its purpose vis-a-vis to changing administrations and charters. The present-day Department of Education was eventually mandated through Republic Act 9155, otherwise known as the Governance of Basic Education Act of 2001, which establishes the mandate of this agency. The Department of Education formulates, implements, and coordinates policies, plans, programs, and projects in the areas of formal and non-formal basic education. It supervises all elementary and secondary education institutions, including alternative learning systems, both public and private, and provide for the establishments and maintenance of a complete, adequate, and integrated system of basic education relevant to the goals of the national development.